Hey guys, I haven't seen videos of people posting their experience at Miami Beach, South Beach, Espanola Way, Esme Hotel. This is the hotel. It's really cool. There's this really nice fan. It's really not very interesting. There is so much detail to this hotel. There's the phone. The way the window is, even you can see outside as well. Look at all those little people. Everything looks very Spanish. There's all this detail. The phone is so detailed. Like, why would they don't even need to do this, but it's part of the whole look of the hotel. The room, it just goes, it flows. There is this really cute entry that's pink. And then you'll see that painting, that art piece. Very pretty. It's really nice for taking pictures. And let me just go over the restroom. Beautiful fixtures with the gold. So you see just all that gold detail. This is green and pink and very, very cute. And then yeah, so you have the window right here, which is really pretty. Crooked, but I really don't care. And the ottoman, which is really nice. All part of this beautiful design, and I get to see all these people and like watch them. And now they're taking pictures, which is really cute. Look at them. This man is just staring at them. At night they can probably see me, but right now, oh, they're homies. Nice. Look at that. She looks like a model. She probably is a model. Look at that. Look. So yeah. So then yes. So you do get some food. And here you get a few knickknacks, patty whacks. You get some water. I did get one of these, and then you get the Coke, Estrella, cerveza. Ma, hay una Coca-Cola. ¿Se antoja? Have some fries. You get your little coffee maker. We have not used it. I don't know how to use it. I don't know how to use coffee makers. I don't drink coffee. But this is that very cute little room. And now this room is the King Village Deluxe, and very pretty. You got all the little brown sofas there too. I'm gonna do a little tour of the hotel, give you an idea of how it is, but we really like it. There's a lot of detail to it, and the way that it flows is just beautiful. So then here is the do not disturb sign. It's a little cord thingy. There it is. The beautiful hotel room. ¿No viste el señor que estaba tirando arena aquí? No. O allá, creo, en el otro. No creo.